Advanced Excel for Financial Modeling. How do I learn financial modeling? Advanced Excel for Financial Modeling course will create the best method strategies to structuring as well as offering fully adaptable and auditable models whilst cultivating the most efficient information analysis tools as well as resolve various other typical modeling problems. Advanced Excel for Financial Modeling program is trainer-led, however necessarily hands-on at all points with the individuals fixing modeling problems throughout. Advanced Excel for Financial Modeling is an economic spreadsheet application established by Microsoft for Microsoft Windows and also Mac OS X. It includes computation, graphing tools, pivot tables, as well as a macro programming language called Visual Basic for applications. It has actually been a very extensively applied spreadsheet for these systems, specifically since version 5 in 1993, and also it has actually changed Lotus 1, 2, 3 as the sector criterion for spreadsheets. Excel forms part of Microsoft Office. About Advanced Excel for Financial Modeling Certification. Development Excel for Financial Modeling Certification gives you the skills and also self-confidence you required to take your career to the next level. The goals of this Development Excel for Financial Modeling accreditation are to boost participants' economic preparation abilities and Excel modeling skills so that they end up being more efficient managers. By having expertise in developing an Advancement Excel for Financial Modeling qualification, you will certainly open on your own up to a wide range of job choices in investment financial, equity research, fixed revenue research study, credit rating score as well as threat management. Significance of financial modeling in 2020. Financial modeling acts as an important device which allows service ideas as well as dangers to be approximated in a cost-efficient means. Financial modeling is an action of producing appealing representation of a monetary scenario of firm. Financial modeling is the procedure of creating a summary of a business's expenditures as well as revenues in the form of a spreadsheet that can be utilized to calculate the impact of a future event or choice. An economic version has lots of uses for company execs. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abudhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for advanced Excel for financial modeling in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best advanced Excel for financial modeling exam preparation course. This certification training offered by Zabeel Institute stands out from other training in the market. Advanced Excel for Financial Modeling exam result and pass percentage in Zabeel Institute is very high, which is increasing day by day under the constant support and guidance from the instructor. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for Advanced Excel for Financial Modeling every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. For further information, please contact phone 00971 4 3974 WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/